left white marks. It is usually the mineral sunscreens, you know what I'm talking about, the thick white ones that are the culprits for the white stains on darker clothing. Typically it's your black clothing. You know, you're getting ready in the morning, you already have your clothing on, and that's when you decide to put your sunscreen on. You're putting on your arms, and then you're putting on your face, and you look down and you've got the white stains on your collar. All of a sudden you've got smudges, or you've got it on your shoulders. You know, you're at the pool and you've got that beautiful black swimsuit on, and you look down and all of a sudden your beautiful black swimsuit is just ruined with black smudges from your mineral sunscreen. I recently also ran across, ironically, chemical UV filtered sunscreen that also left the white smudges on one of my black tank tops. I'm gonna reveal my best SPF hack for getting those white sunscreen smudges off of your black clothing. You're gonna need this summer. I'm gonna place links to this product down below. It is budget friendly. You're gonna need it. It comes in a 2-pack. You're gonna need to grab it off of Amazon today before everybody snatches them up. They're easy to keep in your travel bag. Keep it in your purse for when you do touch-ups, because yes, mineral sunscreens 100% leave those black smudges, but sometimes the chemical UV filtered ones do as well. And you're not going to want to leave home without it. I'm not going to let you wait until the end of the video before I reveal that it's this. I know you saw it in the thumbnail. What is this? It's a deodorant sponge. So you can use it for your deodorant smudges as well if your deodorant leaves the black smudges too. You might already have this at home, but you might not, so pick them up. They're really cheap. It doesn't look special at all. These will last you for years. Years and years. When you get the smudge from your sunscreen or your deodorant, let it dry down on your clothing completely. Do not attempt, you can attempt to wipe it off with a sponge when it's wet, but it won't be as effective. You'll just be smearing it around. Trust me, I have tried. Okay. Learn from my mistakes. Wait until it's completely dried. Then take your sponge vigorously, back and forth motion, rub that sunscreen smudge off, and it will come off of your black or dark, navy blue, dark clothing most of the time. I would say 90% of the time I get it off of my black clothing. I can't guarantee it's not going to come off of all clothing types. I typically wear cotton clothing. I don't think I've tried it on suede. I've gotten it off of my linen pants with the deodorant sponge, all of my cotton clothing. You know, sometimes you get that mysterious white smudge on your clothing. You don't realize it's there, and your shirt has been hanging in your closet, and you go to put it on. You're like, how long has that smudge been there? Is it from deodorant or is it from sunscreen? I don't know. And then you take this and you wipe it off, it still comes off. Or you're in a hurry and you don't want to change your shirt. You don't have time to change your shirt. You've got your outfit planned. Take your deodorant sponge, just wipe it off. Always have one of these. Have it in your purse. Have it in your travel bag. Definitely don't go on vacation without one of these. Definitely don't go to Disney World without one of these. Always have your deodorant sponge with you. If you lose one, they're very easy to replace. So, a mineral sunscreen. Typically I get them in the armpits here. We're gonna smudge it right here, like I've gotten. All right, we'll use that one. Let's do a different one. Let's do a couple, shouldn't we? I feel like we should. All right, let's take another popular one. This is the one I had on the back of my hand. This was a thicker one. All right, and we'll put it down here. Test it here. We'll do this one. Okay. All right, so we've got 3 smudges here. We've got smudge number 1, smudge number 2, and smudge number 3. Let's let this dry. We'll be right back to it. Here's stain 1 right here. I'm having to look through the camera rather than with my eyeball. Did we get it off? Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. All right, stain 1. Here we go. Okay, stain 2 here. I'm kind of using a different side of the sponge. I feel like that one's still kind of there. It got in the seam, didn't it? It's always trickier when it gets in the seam. Okay. I may have to go back over it a couple of times. Okay, stain 2, definitely gone. Stain 2 is gone. Stain 1. Gotta require a little more work here. We get that one? I think we did. Yep, okay. And then here's stain 3. Remember, these were 3 different sunscreens. You're getting this in real time. This is quick. It's been 1 minute and 48 seconds. We've gotten 2 stains out. Again, why did I put this in the seam? Seams are always more difficult than if it was just on the regular body of the shirt. But this way you can see it's 2 minutes and 12 seconds. There we go. I feel like it's almost all out. It's just there in that seam, isn't it? Okay. We got it. We got it. I know we did. Yes. Okay. Right? Right? Yeah, we got it. That's my best SPF laundry hack when it comes to sunscreen white smudges. Don't leave home without them. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave for more SPF hacks and sunscreen reviews. I'll see you in my next video. Today's a great day to wear sunscreen. Bye.